Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. My name is Penny and I'm fighting the flu. Not what I wanted to have happen this week, but it's what happened. So Wednesday night, I started feeling really chills and headachy and whatever. Coughed a little bit through the night. Thursday morning, I coughed, but I was like, no, I think I'm kicking this. I think I'm good. I had grandkids coming on Friday. I had scheduled a fermentation class at my house on Saturday, and I was supposed to have a family dinner for all of my kids on Sunday. So I just started thinking about the weekend, like, how long do you think I'll feel like this? I told my daughter-in-law how I was feeling, but she had planned this amazing birthday trip for my son's 30th birthday. And we had planned it a while back, and I was supposed to keep the kids overnight. And I said, I think it's just a cold. I don't think it's a worry. I've been working around through the house today, and I'll be okay. Well, they came Friday, and I felt okay. I had been kind of doing a little bit of work. And then Friday, as the day went on, my daughter Allison was here, the one that lives in the apartment behind us. And I was like, I think I need to go to urgent care. And she goes, yeah, you go. So she stayed with Mark, with the kids, and they provided dinner for the kids, which was whatever they could find in the freezer. While I went to urgent care, they did a COVID/flu test, and it came back negative, but the doctor said, I'm going to treat you for it anyway. So I started some antivirals, and hopefully I'll be kicking this real soon. But that means that I really don't feel up to voicing this whole video for you. So I'm going to show you everything I did. I'll put a couple of notes in there, but the recipes will be in the description box. And if there's a video that I have that makes something, I'll have a link for that. And I hope that you guys have a great time seeing what all I made, even though I didn't really feel that great after day 4. And unfortunately, I did have to cancel my fermentation class. I actually just rescheduled it for 2 weeks down the road. So I'm sure I'll be ready by then. And I also didn't get to have my family dinner, which means I don't get to see all of my kids for another few weeks, which breaks my heart, but I don't want them to have this. Okay, I have a shopping list, but don't worry, I'm not going to go to the store. I'm going to go to my store, the larder. Let's get what I need. I think most of what I need is at this end of the larder. I need toilet paper. So let me grab some of that. We need olive oil, which is up here. All right, I need decaffeinated coffee, which is here. I need peanut butter. I need some Alfredo sauce. So we'll get one. I think we'll take 2. And then I also need an acorn squash. So we'll get that. Okay, do I need anything else? I think I should take some chicken stock up with me. All right, let's see here. I also have a roast on my list, so let's go to the freezer and get that. I saw my ghee on the way out, and I needed a jar of that, so we'll add that to my basket. Okay, I got a small roast, and I went ahead and got some sausage out as well. Okay, let's take it all upstairs. Thanks again so much for coming along. And until next time, blessings on you and yours.